G'day gang, top of the day to you, Sky Pilot here. Welcome to my channel. What is that orange beast you have in front of you? Well, that is the Diatone TAYCAN, my current favourite little drone I love flying around. I've got a Sky Pilot special mount at the front here to mount my Runcam orange on the front there to capture some HD footage. Hopefully the lean's a bit better today. Check out the text and specs of this beast. My last videos as always guys on the top corner there, and if you need to know anything about it, let me know. Today I have on the roof a brick. Yes, it's a 1300 milliamp 4S, and I've had people saying you can't mount a 4S with that camera on this little Cinewhoop and expect to fly. Well, sorry, today I'm going to prove you wrong. Sure, an 850 4S, slightly lighter, will do a better job. You can remove the ducting if you want, however I've found it doesn't really make too much of a difference at all, as it weighs next to nothing. As you can see, it is a bit windy, but I'm going to risk it anyway, as I'm really keen to see how this chunky 1300 on the roof is going to perform here. Apart from my Runcam mount, this is straight out of the box, gang. A fabulous unit, absolutely fabulous. Lots of fun, different variants you can get with this as well. You can get your Crossfire, you can get your DJI Vista kit and all the hoo-ha with it as well. And if you want to make it up yourself instead of a BNF version, well, everything is supplied too. That's all down below, so you can save yourself some money and have a bit of fun building one yourself. That's enough chit chat, let's get up in the sky. The Diatone TAYCAN, sure can. Let's go. Super fast line of sight first, and then we'll go for some FPV VTX. Will it take off with all that gear on it? Let's find out. Oh, hell yeah. Even with the wind. Even with the wind blowing, as you can see, it was struggling a bit, but I'm going to fly down there. Hopefully it's not quite as windy. Does it take off? Absolutely, yeah. We'll keep it fairly low, guys, as I am afraid something may happen with the wind and with the battery. But have a look at that, guys. Does it fly? Oh, absolutely. And it flies really well too. Like I said, this thing is a cracker, and the VTX performance on it is second to none, guys. 400 milliwatts, she's pumping out, and I'll cracky right there, and we'll turn home. Yeah, you need to be a little bit more aggressive on the sticks to compensate for the weight, but that's expected. I do want to stay clear of that tower because these quads and towers don't mix. What an awesome little flyer, guys. No, I'm not going to attempt any saw rolls with this. Look, it is a little bit heavy, I admit. I'll put my hand up to saying it's a bit weighty. However, it is certainly capable of doing this job. See if we can just slower things up a bit. Come through the trees here without any grief. Lots of fun, guys. I'll be interested to see the flight time of this. At the moment we're nearly 3 minutes. I don't expect it to be too long. Certainly not while I'm carrying this big brick around on the roof. Shall I risk going amongst the trees? No, I don't think I will. Okay, let's head over here and get a bit of an aerial in. I'll just sit above the blackberries here in case I come crashing down. It's always good to land on something soft. And up we go. Oh, no, stay away from... there we go. Yep. Okay. Unfortunately the wind blew me over here. What that was that thing. Try and keep away from this area here because it of course interferes with your signal. Even with the brick on and the crash, absolutely unscathed. If it hits something hard, it'd probably be a different story, but yeah, no problem at all. Luckily it landed on the nice soft grass. Certainly a decent knock. Use the rest of my 1300 and have a scoot around. Well, on batteries, it's bring it home. Definitely busted, gang. If you're looking at grabbing one of these cool little units and you're thinking, am I able to fly with a 1300 milliamp, a Runcam on the roof? Well, the answer is absolutely. Go for it. But make sure you fly somewhere where it's nice and open, because it is really loud. And yeah, stay away from those stinking phone towers. Now that little drop I had just over there a minute ago, my Runcam did actually stop and now it won't start, so minor technical issue as a result of the Runcam plummeting to the earth. My next test is going to be a 1550 brick on the roof. You got it, 1550 on the roof, and we're going to see how that goes. I actually think it's going to go really well as well. Drop us a comment, guys, thumbs up if you like the video, please, that would be fantastic. And smash that bell, plenty more to come, including a couple of giveaways that I've finally got off my backside and organised. So I'll see you guys again real soon. Take it easy, take care, keep flying, see you in the sky. Sky Pilot, catch you later.